Do you want to be able to fix TikTok is not showing your videos to others? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So you need to watch this until the end and apply all the steps for it to work. Basically, the first step is going to be for us to come to our TikTok app and then go into your TikTok profile. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok profile right here. So what I need to do in here is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. What I'm going to do now is to click on settings. So click on settings. Now you need to click where it says privacy. So click on privacy, and then make sure that if you do have this private account like enabled in here, then you need to disable that one, because if you do have a private account, then of course your videos will not be like showed to others on TikTok, just the ones that basically follow you. So yeah, if you do have private account enabled, disable this one. But if you don't have private account and you still you still experience this kind of issue, then you can go back into settings right here. Then what we're going to do after that is to just scroll down in here, then click on reports a problem. So click on reports a problem, just going to load here for us, and perfect. What we're going to do now is to scroll down, then click on video and sounds. Click on video and sounds. Now what you need to do is to scroll down in here, click on other in here, and then click on other once again. Just going to load, and then as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So basically the reason why it says for me your feedback was submitted is because I've actually already like wrote to the TikTok support about this issue. But basically, if you do have this like button here where it says need more help, you need to click on it. But I don't, so I'm just going to go back actually to this page and then scroll all the way down and then click on submit a report in here, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to write. So basically, you need to come to video and sounds, and then you need to click on need more help, because then you should be taken here, as you can see. Because in this section where it says report a problem, you need to write exactly like this now to their support. I am having issues with my TikTok videos being, with my TikTok videos not being shown to anybody else on TikTok. I need this to be fixed. So write exactly like this now to their support. I am having issues with my TikTok videos not being shown to anybody else on TikTok. I need this to be fixed. And now, of course, just click on submit. What you need to do after that is to wait about 24 to 48 hours and then go back into your TikTok account. You can either see if your new video has been getting views, and if it hasn't, then just try to re-upload one other videos on like your TikTok. So just upload a new video on TikTok and try again, basically. And hopefully this will solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And I wish you the best day.